Welcome to Grim Reaper RC. So today we got something great in the mail. The RC 4-wheel drive 4Runner Trail Finder 2. Let's get into it. Alright, so up on the table I have a bunch of upgrades for the 4Runner. So let's move this aside, we'll get into that in a second. Let's just go over the parts. So first we have the metal Marlin crawler. Sorry, I have a bunch of paint on me. I was working today. The metal Marlin crawler bumper from RC 4-wheel drive. We have the Trailmaster Sport 550 21 turn brushed motor. Then we have the Hobbywing brushed 1080 ESC with programming card. The worn winch that's going to be going in, and up in the back you can see my special edition RC Sparks car. That's his Dodge Ram 1500. Over here is the limited edition midnight edition from RC 4-wheel drive. Then we have the exhaust for the 4Runner. We have some CC hand, the Marlin or the Mojave light kit set, a Spectrum 5-channel receiver, a scale chainsaw and jack, the CC hand spare tire rack for the RC 4-wheel drive 4Runner. We have the remote winch receiver. And then we have some locking hubs for the RC 4-wheel drive 4Runner. So once you receive this, I got my steering link was zip tied up to here, so inside of the package it includes the 3x8mm screw that you need to put into the servo horn. So that's what I'm doing now. And then we are going to start to get this thing going. Okay, so I put on the front bumper down here, and just to run through a little bit, here's more of it, but I threw on the light kit. I put on the mud flaps and the exhaust onto the back. This is what it looks like right here. Also, here's the lights in the back. There's 3 for each light bucket set. And it is the same that is in the Mojave 2 Midnight Edition that I have here, which I put a bunch of scale 3D printed accessories that I showed you guys earlier, and some more. But here is the 4Runner.